Alright, here I'm going to make a box plot for you. And first of all, I maybe asked some people some kids, how many days they went to the pool last summer or something like that. And so some kids went 7, here's a kid that went 40 times. And you're going to put them in order from least to greatest because, again, this deals with a median. And so to find the middle, you have to have things in order. So first of all, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So since I have an odd number, I'm going to have a true middle. And so there's going to be 5 values below. So it looks like that's 5. So there's my middle. And I should have 5 values above. If it's an even number, you would average to get the middle. All right, so this is what we would call Q2. This is your median. Okay, and that's going to be the middle line in your rectangle. Then you find the middle of the bottom part. So there's my Q1. And then the middle of the top part. So there's my Q3. Here's my high. And here's my low. And that's all you need to make a box plot. All right, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and kind of make a little kind of number line, I guess, so to speak, to help me out as far as the lengths of these things. So here's 0. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and obviously I could keep going if my graph needed to. Alright, so I like to start my graph with the median. Let's see, it looks like the median value is at 10. So most kids only went to the pool 10 times. And then that goes down to 8. So 8 is right there. So there's that box. And then on the high end, we go up to 17 on my box. So again, 1, 2, 3. That looks like I need to be over one more. Let me reset. Okay, probably have to start over here. Alright, so let's see, 17, 19, 18, 17. Again, not the easiest thing to do on your computer, but we'll do our best. Alright, so is everyone okay? When we do our box, it just includes those guys right there. Okay, so this is my Q2, there's my Q1, there's my Q3. And again, the values that go with that was, this is what I add 8, this was at 10, and this guy was at 17. Alright, then my whiskers are going to go out to 7 here, so that's not very far. Okay, and this one's going to go out to 40 because there was one kid that went to the pool 40 times. Okay, so there's my low, there's my high. Now, as far as interpreting this, these are percentiles. So again, you know that in every category, like right here, 25% of the people went in those amounts, so 7 or 8, and then another 25% here, another 25% here, and another 25% here. So you can kind of, again, tell if there's a lot of variability or not a lot of variability. So in this middle, so here's your bottom 25%, again, not a lot of variability there. And in fact, your bottom half isn't very big, meaning they were very consistent scores. Okay, now your top half, as far as these guys, there's a lot of variability there, a lot of different amounts that people went to the swimming pool during the summer. All right, if you have, say, an even number, maybe I have like 1, 2, 3, and then say 4. And then I have maybe, I don't know, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10. Is that an even? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then if you're going to find the middle, there isn't a true middle number. So you take the middle of the middles. So you would add those up and divide by 2, which is what, 5.5. So your Q2 is actually not going to be a number even on your list. So Q2 is 5.5, which is my Q2. But again, now I have an odd number here, so I do have a true Q1, and I do have a true Q3, right? And then again, this will be your box on your graph. So when you get your graph, you should have it starting at 3 and end, and again looks something like that. A little whisker should go out to 1, another whisker should go out to 10, and you should be good to go.